love pizza? And do you love making your own pizza together with friends and family even more? Well, in that case, the Pizzarette CoolWall will really suit you. It's very easy to use. After rolling out the dough circles and preparing the ingredients, you can make your own mini pizza. And next, you simply slide it into the Pizzarette with the included spatula. The Pizzarette is heated at the bottom as well as at the top for perfect results. And the renewed CoolWall terracotta dome prevents the exterior of the dome from becoming too hot, ideal for kids. Your pizza is ready in about 5 to 7 minutes. And kids love it, plus they learn how to combine ingredients. And to top it off, it's also healthy, and the Pizzarette does not emit smells like fonduing or raclette. So we can really recommend the Pizzarette CoolWall. Enjoy your pizza! Ciao!